Funnels are one of the integral parts of any business sales process. If you don't have a funnel, rather a right funnel, and you're running traffic, you are wasting your money. There are a number of factors which determines what kind of funnel suits your business best. And you need to keep trying until you find the best. In this video, I will reveal high converting funnels, which I have seen works for any kind of business. So take out your notepad, stay till the end and choose the funnel which suits you best. Without further delay, let's get into the topic. First, I'm going to walk you through all these high converting funnels. If you stay till the end, I'm going to bless you with an awesome bonus. If you're someone who is just starting out and has this question, what is funnel? I don't know about that. Let me quickly explain that. Funnel is nothing but the journey you create for your prospects to become your customer. No one will buy for the first time as soon as they see your ad, as soon as they see your offer. So you need to create a step-by-step process so that your prospect will convert into your customers. That is what a funnel all about. Yeah. Now let's look at the first high converting funnel, which is group nurturing funnel. Let me quickly explain how this works. First, you are going to get traffic from different sources. Then you will run those traffic to your landing page, your lead capture page. After that, from lead capture page, landing page, you will send them to your group. There, ideally for 4+1, 5 days. First 4 days, you are going to educate them, engage with them, interact with them. And on the final day, 5th day, you are going to offer and sell your product. It can be consulting, coaching, courses, training, anything. Yeah. So for the group, you can utilize WhatsApp or Telegram or FB group. This works really well if your target market have an issue with high affordability factors. Yeah, because you can get the people for $5, $10, $15, which is nothing. For low cost, you can get them into your nurturing funnel. Then you build trust because you're going to interact with them. You have given lots of value. And on the final day, when you pitch your offer, the conversion is going to be very, very good. However, the disadvantage here is about the scalability. That is the first factor, because 4 days plus 1 day, 5 days, you got to be there, or you need to train well a team who can handle and engage with them. Yeah. So high affordability cost, there you can get them into very less cost. However, you got to be present and you need to spend time for 5 days in a week. Yeah. Then let's move on to the second high converting funnel, high cost consulting funnel. Just to let you know that I have tried and tested all these funnels myself, and I can give you practical advice. So stay focused. How this high cost consulting funnel works. You have your traffic sources and you get them into your landing page, your lead capture page. Then in the last funnel, you will send them to a group. Here, you'll send them to a survey. You can use Google Form. Also, you can choose a tool called Typeform, which is an awesome tool where you can have logical jump, and then and there you can disqualify who doesn't suits you. Yeah. So in the survey, you can have qualification based questions. Whoever qualifies will go into the next stage, which is strategy call. You can have a 15 minutes or a 30-minute strategy call. There you'll offer or pitch your high cost consulting offer. Then you will close the deal. Here, I'm talking about high ticket product, $1,000, $2,000, even up to $50,000 product. Yeah. The advantage of high cost consulting funnel is you'll work only with few people and you can make lots of money. But the disadvantage here is you can't do this alone because you have only so much hours in a day. Yeah. So you need to build a high qualified team who can not just close the deal. They will be able to give solution to your client. So it is very important. You train a team, you get them along with you, then you can do this model very well. Yeah. Now let's move on to the third high converting funnel, direct sales funnel. This is your typical sales funnel. You have your traffic, get them into your landing page, lead capture page. From there, you'll send them into your product checkout page. Then once the sales happens, they will get access to your product. This really works well for low cost products, digital products, maybe up to $99. This doesn't work if the value of the product is high. High ticket items doesn't work here. Yeah. And the advantage here is you can automate each and everything. There is no need of your presence. Yeah. But the disadvantage here is, one is you can sell only low cost. And the second thing is there is going to be some impulsive bias. The quality of customer is going to be a problem because you are not qualifying your prospects here because it is an automated process. Yeah. Now let's move on to the fourth high converting funnel, webinar funnel. Let me quickly explain you how this works. You have your traffic, get them into your landing page, lead capture page. From there, you will send them to ideally your live webinar, or you can have your automated webinar as well. The advantage of webinar funnel is you can sell any kind of products, mid ticket, high ticket, low ticket, any kind of products you can sell there. And the second thing is you can literally call out names, engage with them, interact with them. Also, you can personalize your pitch. It feels so special. Yeah. But the disadvantage, rather a challenge here is you got to be good at webinar selling. For 90 minutes, you need to keep the audience engaged so that you can get maximum conversion. The more people stay till the end, more conversion you can expect. So you got to deliver a power-packed 90 minutes to 120 minutes session. Yeah. Here in the webinar funnel, you can have either free webinars and the paid webinars. The advantage of free webinar is your CPL, cost per lead, is going to be on the lower side, but the disadvantage here is the attendance rate, the show up rate. 30% show up rate is on the higher side, and it can go as low as 2 to 3%. That means if there are 100 people who registers for your webinar, only 2 or 3 people might attend your webinar. However, in the paid webinar, the show up rate is going to be higher because people have already paid a small amount. They're serious, they're committed. But overall, if you look at it, since the free webinar, you will have more number of people who registers for your webinar. But in the paid webinar, there are less number of people who registers for the webinar. Net, what you got to look is your cost per acquisition, your total sales minus your total ad spends divided by the number of people, and whatever the figure you get, if that is at least 2x, 2 times more than your average ad spend, then you have done a great job. So there are a number of factors you got to look if you want to analyze a funnel. So if you want to know more and learn about it, join our community. One more thing, if you're just starting out, if you're shy from camera, you don't know how to present in a webinar, join our community. If you're a paid member of our community, you'll get access to done for you funnel, where 95% of the work is already done. Only thing what you got to do is you need to bring a quality traffic, nurture them, then send them into this automated selling machine where our experts will sell for you. Yeah. If you want to know more about that, at the end, I'm going to talk about that. Yeah. Now let's move on to the fifth high converting funnel, hybrid funnel. This is the mother of all funnels. We have combined all these funnels and came up with hybrid funnel. Let me quickly explain you how this works. Look at here, you have traffic, then you will get them into your landing page, lead capture page. Then what we have done is, rather sending them to a live webinar, we'll send them to a group. There we will nurture them for a few days. Yeah. Then they will come to live webinar. Also, some people we will send them to a condensed pitch. The webinar is for 90 to 120 minutes, but the condensed pitch is maybe 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And there will pitch the offer and they can go to a checkout page. Whoever buys will get the access to the product. Whoever doesn't buy, they will come to the live webinar. Then again, the offer will be rolled out and some people will become the customer from there. So this is the hybrid model, which has a combination of all other funnels you have gone through. This is one of the best funnels I have seen so far because you can nurture the people in the group. You can build the trust before they attend and meet you live in your webinar. Also, the show up rate is going to be higher because they have already interacted with you. Also, as many things as possible, you can automate. You have direct sales funnel approach as well. And before the webinar itself, you can make some sales. So overall, these funnels will help you squeeze more juice out of your list and help you increase your ROI. This is all about hybrid funnel. Now, let's move on to the mind map. So these are the 5 high converting funnels which can work for any kind of business based on your product cost, your target market, and consider all other factors before deciding which type of funnel works for you best. Since you have stayed till the end, it's time to reward you with this cool bonus. And the bonus is I invite you to be part of our great community. Yeah. In the description, I have given a link. Also on your screen, you can see the link. Click on that link, and with the email for free, you can create an account and access some free trainings. Also, earlier I was talking about done for you funnels. As a basic or free member, you can't run those funnels, but you can view those funnels, go check out those. And if you think those are suitable for you, that's the route you want to take, then you can upgrade yourself. There is no need to rush your decision. Yeah, I have few questions for you. What is your biggest takeaway? And after going through these funnels, which of these funnels are you going to utilize? In the comment section, please write down. I'm going to read and respond. Do not forget to check out my other videos. Until we meet next time, I say take care and goodbye.